Good morning, students. This is our maths class. Today we are going to learn about prime factorization. What's the topic? Prime factorization. Prime factorization. We know how to find out the factors of any given number. A number can be expressed as the product of its factor. Prime numbers can be expressed as the product of two factors. 1 and the number itself. Already learned this one. Then today we are going to learn about prime factorization. If the factorization of a number contains only prime factors, the factorization of number containing only prime factors, then that factorization is called prime factorization. What is prime factorization? The factorization of a number contains only prime factors, then that factorization is called prime factorization. For example, prime factorization of 20. Okay, find out the prime factors of 20. Then 20. How to find out this value? 24. 2 into 5. 1 into, first you can split this number into 1 into 20 is equal to 20. Then as to 2 into 10. That like only here you write down the prime factor. So here the answer is last 2 into 5. Here all the three factors are prime factors. 2, 2, 5. All the factors are prime factors. Writing numbers as the product of its prime factors is called prime factorization. Okay, writing numbers as a product of its prime factor is called the prime factorization. First method of prime factorization using factorization method. Using factorization method. First method. In this method, we keep factorization the composite factors till we are left with prime factors only. For example, find the prime factors of 48. Find the prime factors of 48 using three methods of, this is the first method. Okay, factorization method. Find the prime factors of 48 using factorization method. Factorization method. First, here write down what's the number? 48. That number you will write. Then next you can product here. 2 into dash equal to, we getting the value 48. 2 into 24. Here 2 is the prime factor, but 24 is not a prime factor. Here find the prime factors. So next you can reduce this number into prime number. 2 into, how do you can reduce this number 24? 2 into 12. Okay, 2 into 12. 2 and 2 are prime factors, but 12 is not a prime factor. So you can split this number. 2 into 2 into, then how do you can split this number? 12 is equal to 2 into 6. Then here 6 is not a prime factor, so you can split that number. 2 into 2 into 2 into, how do you can split number? 2 into 3. Then here all the factors are a prime factors. 2 then 3, so therefore prime factorization of 48, therefore prime is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, this is the answer. Otherwise we can also write this number into, how to write this one? 48 is equal to 4 into 12. Okay, 4 into 12. Here both the numbers are not a prime numbers. Both the numbers are not a prime numbers. So you can split these two numbers. Then how do you can split the number? 4, 2 into 2. Then next 12 for 2 into 6. Then 2 into 2 into 2 into 6. How do you can split? 2 into 3. Otherwise, how to write this number? 48. 48 is equal to 8, 6 are 48. Here both numbers are not a prime factor, so you can split this number. 2 into, how do you can split this number? 2 into 4 into, how do you can split this one? 2 into 3. Here 4 is not a prime number, so you can split that number. 2 into, how to split this number? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Remaining two numbers are a prime numbers, that like you will write it. So anyway you can split this number different method. Last you can getting the final answer is same. What's the answer? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, then next method, prime factorization using factor tree method. Okay, first method using factorization methods. Next method using factor tree method. Here question is find the frame factorization of 48 using the factor tree method. Factor tree method. Finding the frame factorization of 48. The same number. Here first method is factorization method. Next one using the factor tree method. Okay. Then here given number. What's the given number? 48. Okay. Here first you write down the given number. Given number is 48. Then you can split this number into two branches. Okay, you can split this one into two branches. How do you can split this number? 48 is equal to 2 into 24. 2 into, here this composite number you will write it. Okay, 4 into 12. 4 into 12. 4 12s are 48. Next, further you can break down this product. How do you can break this one? 2, 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 2. So this is the prime numbers. That don't know. Then you can split this to up to, you can getting the prime number. That much time do this step 1 by 1. Then next 12. How do you can split this one? 2 into 6. Next this is not a prime number, so you can split this one. 2 3s are 6. So what's the factorization value? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, next question. 3588. 3588. How do you can split this number 3588? First you can split this into two factor. Product of this two factor. Two factor. First one 4. 4 into 897 is equal to 3588. 3588. So first step over. Then next you can split this one. How do you can split this one? For 2 into 2. Okay, this one over. This is the prime number. So you can split this one. How do you can split this one? Using the third table. 299. 299 into 3 is equal to 897. Next, this is the prime number. So you can split this one. How do you can split this one? 13 into 23. Here two of them prime factors. So what's the answer? 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 23. Okay, this is the factorization tree method. Using factors tree method. First one, prime factors of number using factorization method. Then next method, first heading, using frame factorization using division method. First one, frame factorization using factorization method. Simply you can take the product up to last, you can getting that all the prime numbers, then you write down the answer. The next one, frame factorization using factor tree method. Then last one method, frame factorization using division method. We start with the dividing the number with the smallest possible prime numbers. You can start the number to smallest possible prime numbers to can start one. First question, find the prime factorization of the following numbers using division method. First one, same number 48, be 1880. Be 1880. Then first one 48. Which method here? Division method. First you write it 48. Okay, division. Then using the smallest frame number here. This is 48. So you can divide this number into 2. Then 2. 2 2s are 4. 2. Then here 8. 2 4s are 8. 24. Next you can reduce this one into second table. Then 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 so 12. 2 6 2 3. So the frame factorization of 48 is frame factorization of 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Here what are the values? That value you will write it. Okay. Then next one, find the frame factorization of the following number using division method. What's the number? 1880. Here 0, so you can divide this number into 2. Here 1 is not a divisible number, so you can join this one. 18. So 2 9s are 18. Then next 8. 2 4s are 8. 0. Here 0. So here also you will write down the 0. Otherwise not getting the correct answer. Last you can write 0. That 0 you will write it. Here 0 means you obey that one no problem. That's the side you can 0 means you write down the 0. That for also the value. How do you can read the number? 940. Suppose here 0 means 94. So you can write this 0 also 2. Then next you can divide this number. 4 2s are 8. That balance 1. Here you will write it 14. So next is 7 2s are 40 0. Okay. Then next 47. Okay. Here also 470 0. So you can divide this number. Then also 2. Then 2 2s are 4. Here 3 2s are 6. Balance 1. So 10 here. 5 2s are 10. Next you can divide this number into 5. Here 23. 2 is not a divisible number, so you can take this 23. 23. Then 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Balance 3. 35. Then next you can divide this number using the fifth table. 5 6 are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. This is which number? 47. 9 9s are 49, but here 47 only. So this is a prime number. So what's the answer? Therefore, prime factorization of 100,880 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 47. Okay, this is our answer. Then did you understand 3 side headings? First, the method of frame factorization. First method, frame factorization using factorization method. First, you can write that numbers into product of the two factors. Any one method you will select it. First you can select 48 means 2 into 24, otherwise 4 into 12, otherwise 8 into 6. Then last you can getting all the values are frame factors. So then next you write down the answers. Okay, then next one, frame factors using factor tree method. First what is given in the question, that number you will do write it. Then next you can split the number into 2 branches. Okay, split the numbers into 2 branches of the factor tree. Then next you can split that number into, broke down into product of the two numbers. That's the composite number factor branches out into 2 more factors. Suppose that is the composite, this is the composite factor. So then it is further broke down. This is the composite factor. So you can further broke down. Suppose this one is the prime factor, means that much enough. Okay. Here this is the composite factor. So you can break down the zone 2 factors. Up to last, what the answer is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. All the question you can using the tree method, that's the answer. Then factor tree method also, that same answer. Here factorization method. Then last one method, what's the last method? Division method. Division method also, what's the answer? That same is the answer. So here the homework problem, exercise page number 53, exercise 3D, First one, finding the prime factorization of the following numbers using factorization method. First method, okay. D, E. Then next one, number two, finding the prime factorization of the following number using factor tree method. That one, B, C. The next one, C part, finding the prime factorization of the following numbers using division method. D, E. This is our homework problem. Can you do those questions? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, did you understand today's topic? Any doubt? Okay, thank you, students.